Hello, I'm Bhumi. Today I will make Google project. So let's get started. First, I need an image and I'll choose the image. I'll upload file. You couldn't see the file. I will open it. And now I'll choose it. I'll keep this Google over here like this, at least a little bit big. Google should come here. And now the background color will be pink in color. Okay, I don't have that much images. Okay, like this. And right now I need the text import. The border color will be white, means it will be in pink in color. And now the background color will be, oh come on, yeah, background color will be white. I choose white as my favorite. And border size at least that much. At least 90. Yeah, 90 is enough. It is very big. Okay, and right now I need one button. And now this button, the border color will be pink in color. And this button will be which color? Aha! How about red? Not red. It will be red only, but it will be a little dark. Border width. I don't want any border width. Okay, like this. And over here, this will say search. Search. And done. So my designing is done now. I'll go to the code. I went to the code and right now I'll do at show text. I'll do Control V. Show blocks again. Now you can see here. Okay, you can also means you can put this blocks. So this is not button 2. This is button 1. Button 1 click and text import. It is test. Okay, come on. Let's just put this text input 1. Okay, now I will run. Now what I'll do is, what can I search? Okay, how about who is the CEO of Chrome? Wait, not Chrome. It will be Apple Company. Oh my god. Why should they come here? CEO. Search. Continue. It is coming. Oh, it's Tim Cook. Okay. So my app is working, and right now I will also show you. Wait. I'll also show you how to rename it. This will be Google. Yeah, it is googling. It's not gonna be googling. It will be Google Project. Now I will save, and right now I'll share. I won't only publish. I'll copy this. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Next page. Ctrl V, Ctrl C. It is coming. It is coming. Excited. Here it is coming. Only 1 second. Yeah. Now, what should I search? Okay, why don't I search mango? And I'll search it. Okay, mango. It will go to the next page. Means in next tab. And then look at mango. Easy, easy. Okay. So my app is working. So I say bye bye. See you at the next video. Bye bye. Like and share. Like and share. And subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you next